Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook dirty rice. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground meat, like pork or beef, and 1 cup of long-grain white rice. Don't forget the essential holy trinity of vegetables: 1 cup of chopped onion, 1/2 cup of celery, and 1/2 cup of bell pepper. Have your seasonings ready too, including salt, black pepper, and a touch of cayenne for that classic kick. Getting everything prepped beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now that your ingredients are prepped, let's start cooking. Begin by browning your 1 pound of ground meat in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Once it's fully cooked, drain off any excess fat, leaving just about 2 tablespoons to help flavor our vegetables. Next, add your finely chopped onion, celery, and bell pepper to the pot. Sauté these aromatic vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes until they become tender. Finally, stir in your minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute until it's wonderfully fragrant. With our meat and vegetables perfectly sautéed, it's time to introduce the rice and broth. Add 1 cup of uncooked long-grain white rice to the pot, stirring it well with the meat and vegetables. Toast the rice for about 2 minutes to enhance its flavor. Then, pour in 2 cups of chicken or beef broth, along with your salt, pepper, and cayenne. Bring the entire mixture to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer for 20 minutes until the liquid is fully absorbed and the rice is tender. Almost there. Once your dirty rice has cooked for 20 minutes, remove the pot from the heat but keep it covered. Let it rest for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the steam to finish cooking the rice and ensures a perfect texture. After resting, gently fluff the rice with a fork to separate the grains. For a final touch of freshness and color, stir in about 1/4 cup of fresh chopped parsley or green onions. Your delicious dirty rice is now ready to be served hot, either as a hearty main course or a fantastic side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.